Good evening, everybody. This is John Alexander Ospina, and this is material design for face-to-face environment. This is the final task in which I need to answer some questions regarding some technological uses, in this case videos. The first question goes as following. How would you use a video to teach in face-to-face environments? Videos can be used to complement class objectives. In my class development, I would use videos to reinforce students' comprehensions about specific topics. This way, they will be practicing their input ability by listening. In this, they will also enhance their vocabulary knowledge and will be listening to a variety of accents. Second question, question B. What language skill would you practice by using this tool in face-to-face classes? How would you do it? By the use of videos, listening will be the #1 skill students will be developing, as the fact that videos are an input category. Information is being gained by a receptive manner. By listening, we'll be practicing our output category as well, due to the fact that we will be memorizing pronunciation of certain words that we will use to produce speaking. C. Name 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of using videos in face-to-face environments. First of all, the advantages. First of all, #1, will enhance vocabulary. Well, like this, we can listen to different words that probably are unknown to us, but by listening to the entire context, we can make sure we can have like a little bit of connection between that word and the real definition. So by it, we'll be practicing vocabulary. Second one, we'll be practicing diverse pronunciation. Well, we listen to different pronunciations as we can think about different accents as well. If we think about European accents, it's different from the American one. So if we listen to different videos with different pronunciation, we can start like connecting the English language to a different variety of accents. This way we can enhance the ability as well. Last one will be an advantage for visual students. In fact, this will be an advantage for them because it will be the #1 source for information for them, because students that require a visual tool will be learning a little bit better just by listening to and watching videos. There are some advantages as well. #1, we might have technological difficulties as Wi-Fi might not work properly. This is true. Sometimes we have a class planned and all of a sudden just the lights goes out and the internet runs out, and we're not gonna have the resource available to show our students, so we're gonna be stuck there for just a couple of minutes and probably would not know what to do next. The next one might be a sense of distraction for some students that require a different ability to obtain the knowledge. This means that those students that are not visual will feel distracted just by listening and watching videos, as they require a different learning style. So for them, it will be very difficult. The last one, it takes time searching for the appropriate video. This is also true because if we consider a class and we want to search for a specific video that has some precise information, it will be very difficult to find a video that has all that we are requesting. So for that, I consider it will be very difficult to work with videos in this sense. The last thing was to write a half-page document expressing your point of view related to the use of technological tools in face-to-face environment. It goes like this. Nowadays, it's essential to use the advantages of technologies as students are growing around this environment. Technology also gives a variety in our classroom, as we need to think about students' strengths and weaknesses. Resources as Prezi, emails, and Powtoon give us a different way to create presentations. They are online and 100% free with a great amount of applications to make our presentation a little bit more enjoyable. Now, we just need a simple click to go global and learn about different things that before were difficult to find. We can give a history class just by searching on Google, by typing the events that we want to teach. We can learn about different cultures and countries in seconds, and students are also able to communicate with other people around the world just by using social networking. Using technological tools will also enhance students' autonomy as they use their inquiry process to obtain information themselves, and then share it with the rest of the class to improve collective learning. As conclusion, I have to agree that technological tools will give us a better way to transmit concepts and objectives. We need to consider that everyone learns different, and these amazing tools will in fact give a more complex learning process. It will be more didactic for students, and learning transmission will be more effective. Thank you very much for listening, and have a nice evening.